Alright folks, we're Beasley Knob. Should be should be a wild day. Lots of mud. It rained all night last night. I suppose this is as good a time as any to vlog. I'm here vlogging. I'm vlogging in the woods again. I've got my Land Cruiser out here, and we've got 200 series Land Cruisers. We got a 5th gen 4Runner. We got a totally stock Tundra. We got a Land Rover, Disco 2, and we got, is that it? I think that's it. Anyway.
I centered.
Somehow I don't think this is going to go very well.
You might need a pull from the front because you're stuck on your running board.
Running boards.
I centered really bad.
Slow over that big rock.
Move here.
Left. You left. There you go. It's gonna drop.
No real control.
You have a better chance of getting over that rock that way.
You've got those skid plates. You're in that big one, right under the hole. Nobody's not hit yet, from what I've been able to tell. What happened? Easy. All right.
Nope, he missed it. He did miss it.
Easy. All right.
Things with gravity. Oh God. Yeah, driving up this is an absolute no-go for any of us.
Yeah, not when it's wet. If it's dry, you could.
Yeah, that's a whole different story. There you go.
Slowly. Yeah, you're gonna drop at about 660. There you go. Let it slide. got him?
Yeah.
Well, all right.
Well, yeah, we're up pretty far. My keys are in the truck if you need to move it.
Actually, watch him. Video.
Come further, driver.
I really want to take it.
Yeah, left, Brian. Okay, straighten it out. There you go. Crawl it. You're about to drop off.
You're about 4 inches from getting over that rock. There it is. Alright, now you're on another one. Alright. Hey, Ryan, back up a little. Alright, go. Dropping this one and lifting that one. Yeah, I'd hug that wall as tight as you can. There you go. Try to carry a little momentum into it. You're about 2 feet away from that big rock. You're on it now. No, you're not on it. You're drop down in that hole again. Right there. Alright, tell him carefully, just a couple of... You got about 3 or 4 feet of slack still.
He's gonna have to pivot that to the passenger side.
Turn right, Ryan. There you go. All right, hold up right there. Ryan, try to turn left and pull up a little bit. Come up a little. Stay hard locked. All right, now go back to the right, Ryan.
I say he needs to go up a little bit more.
He can't. There's a 3-foot drop, and that's what's happening. It's pinning his tire. He can't turn. There you go. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. All right, hold up right there. That's what I'm doing. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Right.
Probably weigh 4,200 or something, maybe 45 with all the extra stuff. That's what the LRV was, 6,000 pounds.
There it is. Go left a little, left, 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 left. Go, 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 go. There you go.
haven't been filming for 3 hours now because we are just trying to turn around. We had to swap a spare tire and winch 2 guys up a hill, and this is what we're dealing with right now. Trying to just to turn around. I'm parked, you know, on the side of a mountain. We just climbed up all this garbage. So it's been what a last couple of hours. There you go, yes! That was the line. All right, next truck. Stay to the right, back up about 3 feet, try to ride that right side wall, and give it a good, healthy throttle. Very healthy.
Emergency brake light.
Yeah. Go a bit of left. Try to hug the left side. That may help. Right there. Don't back up any farther. So much trouble here today. It started raining on us. We couldn't get up these slick, muddy hills. And then it started raining on us. So we had to find another way out. And this is our way out up this ridiculous track here, which is as bad as the stuff we were trying to avoid. So it's not like we were avoiding it, we just couldn't get up it.
It's gonna be a lot of sliding.
We'll see. We'll see.
My diff.
That's fine. There's some earthworms here if you need traction.
Yeah.
They look like chain.
Just ground clearance at this point.
Ooh, look at the earthworms. There you go. You're gonna have to back up a little bit. Yeah, bump over that part and then just hammer down hard right. Just go. Is she sleeping over there? How are you sleeping in there? Yeah, I don't even want to look at mine, man. I have, well, one of my fender flares is in my back seat.
You put your fender in the back?
Yeah.
You want me to do it? So
No.
you don't have to look at it?
No, it's already in the back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I grabbed it.
The one that's hanging?
No, the one that's hanging, I think it'll hang all the way to home. I guess I'm gonna have a deflared 80, which is...
I might need a new door.
Here, come here. We've all got one on the right side of that.
That's a good one.
You need PDR.
That's way beyond what I want.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's...
Hey, you dealership guys got a PDR guy?
yeah, but he also thinks the earth is flat.
Dude, the PDR guy?
Yeah.
Okay, but how's
Yeah.
his skills at fixing dents?
Excellent. He's perfect at making things flat, like the earth. Yeah, oh, I got a nice good scuff in my door. Yeah, and I got all this at Coppinger's Cove down here. You can't really see now, but that... I mean, look at that. Man.
I hate beating it up. Load up, please.
If we can get a free for all,
Ryan, you been on this?
Oh, don't even...
Oh,
Oh, you got it the
You
worst.
got me beat.
Oh, and they're still paying for that 4Runner.
Is someone watching
yeah, the
that?
4Runner's too nice to take up here.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, if anybody says let's do Beasley knob again, my answer would be no thanks.
Yeah,
I'm good.
listen, I hadn't experienced this entire place.
I was just giving a guy on mud the other day for having dents all over his truck. I'm like, maybe you need to drive better. Maybe it's you.
I guess he didn't get a memo about the 95 decibel rule, did he?
Yeah, I guess. They were stationed in San Diego. We were just dropped by.
Yeah, he said that. He told the XJ guy he's going to go first and go push him.
Can you not stand in front of everybody?
I'm going to be in the picture. I want to be in the... Listen, I'm going to pose like one of your French mamas. No, not...
That ain't 95 decibels.
What is in there?
6 liter,
motor.
6 liter,
So it's liter
LS.
What are you trying to tell me? I saw the drive shaft doing this.